2010 Honda Pilot, how to change an air filter. All right, so if you are in front of the car and you go right here, this is where the air filter is. To remove the air filter, what you have to do is you have to take out this number 8 bolt here. There's number 8 here, and there's one all the way down there, and there's one on this end. And if you need to, you can remove this airflow sensor, remove this number 10 to give you some free play. It's up to you, but we're gonna put this in process. And if you like the way we do it, you can do it the way we do it. If you have a better way, show us the way you do it, you know. All right, so number 8, we're gonna remove the bolts. They're not gonna come out, they're just gonna loosen up. So we're gonna loosen them up all the way. Just like that, and then come over to the other one. Sometimes these don't come out. So if that's the case, you gotta break them. And there's one across over there. So what I mean by they're not gonna come out is they lift up like that, but they don't come out. So this is the farthest it will go. Sometimes you can do it is turn it and they'll stand up. And we're gonna get that last one on the other end, and then this should lift up a little bit, and we should be able to get the filter out of there. There you go. Once you have it open, you have access to the filter. There you go. That filter is filthy. It's beyond filthy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the new filter now. A lot of people, what they do is they like to clean down there, but this one doesn't have any leaves and stuff, so it's okay. So we have the new filter, and this filter is just squared out, a rectangle. So you just drop it in there, just like that, and then you close the lid. So if you have a 2010 Pilot, 9, 8, any of these models, it's the same process.
11, 12.
11 and 12 is the same. Now, to get them in there, you're gonna tighten these back. Sometimes they're lifted up, they won't catch the thread, so what you do is push them down a little bit, and they should catch. You can also use a Phillips screwdriver. We see the Phillips head on the top. And there's one over there. So what he's doing is he's catching the threads on each bolt. Once he catches them all 4, he's gonna tighten it up, and that should lock the housing down with the filter inside. 4 in there, and now he's gonna tighten them up. What I like to do is go over there, crisscross, so the filter housing sits flush. This filter should be changed out every 10,000 miles. You don't want to over tighten it, you see? It broke now. So take it easy. This is just hand tight. So So we'll put something in there to fix that, no problem. We won't put like a sheetrock screw in there because usually they break, and then you do end up putting sheetrock screws in there. And that's it. Once you have all these tight, you're done, and that's how you change your filter on a Honda Pilot.